Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Chelle. Today I'm doing 3 glam gift boxes. I hope you enjoy.
Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay.
To start with, I collected 3 cardboard boxes. I love using cardboard boxes for DIYs, guys, so I tried to collect a few of them.
All I want is to spend this day with you.
I also picked up 1 metre each of this really pretty fabric from Spotlight. I absolutely love leopard print at the moment, guys, and I couldn't wait to do a DIY with this fabric. Taking the first of the smaller boxes, I got my leopard print fabric, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it upside down. I'm then going to take my Sharpie pen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace out each side of the box.
Go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
You're then going to flip it over and continue to trace until you've traced all sides.
As long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
You're then going to bring the box into the middle and do the left and right hand side until you've got a shape that looks like a T.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around.
You're then going to take some scissors and cut it out.
This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby.
You're then going to position the box to the centre and add each side. I'm then going to take a hot glue gun and hot glue everything in place.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
You've got to be super careful, guys, with the hot glue gun. I've burnt myself many a time. The joys of being a DIYer.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols.
What's was happy with the result, I then moved on to my second box using this very pretty satin fabric, which I also picked up from Spotlight. Again, using the exact same method as the first box, I traced out all sides. I then cut it out and placed the box in the centre, and again taking my hot glue gun, I glued everything in place. Once that box was complete, I then moved on to my third and final box, repeating the same steps. Once all three boxes were covered, I then decided to start decorating them.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Taking this dollar store ribbon, I'm then going to add it across the top of the box and glue it underneath. I also overlapped this beautiful leopard print ribbon that I picked up from Spotlight.
Christmas memories. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
I continued to glue everything in place until it was overlapped and looking like a cross.
And the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
I then repeated the same steps on the other two boxes.
This holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
I chose to add the leopard print ribbon to the left and right hand side of the taller box. Taking some more of that Christmas ribbon, I'm going to cut out 4 pieces, guys, and I'm going to overlap them so we can create a bow. Now here I decided to add a black pom-pom, but changed my mind. I then took some of that leopard print ribbon, overlapped it, placed it in the centre and added pom-poms to each end. I then added this beautiful dollar store rose to the centre. I added the same roses to the other 2 boxes, and I absolutely love how they came.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I'm so in love with leopard print at the moment, guys. I'm really drawn to it, and it's definitely going to be a theme for my Christmas decor.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere. Just us.
Guys, I wanted to give you 2 variations of the styling here. I had the pretty pink rose flowers, but I also had them in white. So I thought I'd share both styles with you. Leave me a comment down below which one was your favourite. Now guys, these were such simple and easy DIYs. Just by taking some cardboard boxes and your favourite coloured fabric, I was able to create these beautiful gift boxes to decorate my home glam, and you certainly can too.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home.
My friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary.
If you love glam as much as me and love simple and inexpensive DIY projects as well as room tours and glam inspiration, my channel just might be for you, and I'd love for you to join Chelles Glam Home family.
In Christmas times, oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline.
So guys, please let me know if you're enjoying my episodes of Christmas with Chelle. Is there a DIY project that you'd like me to have a go at? Leave a comment down below and I'll definitely do my best to take any requests.
All the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed another episode of Christmas with Chelle. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.